Let's make these abstract geometric motion in After Effects. Make a new composition and give a background. Add a new low square resolution composition and create an animated shape. Animate the shape position and path, then loop the animation so it repeats. Add the animated shape comp to the main comp, then add CC reptile effect on the shape comp. Expand the right and down from the effect to fill up the comp space. Add a new shape layer for displacement. Add an adjustment layer to give a time displacement effect. Now, make the layer in time displacement to the displacement map and effect and mask. Now we have the abstract geometric motion in After Effects.